Unit the Ga, Unit 2. In this unit, you will learn how to say who you are and to introduce people. First, introducing yourself. Is Monsieur Donald. I'm Donald, or Donald. Is Monsieur Donald.
Agus, and is Monsieur Shonak. Eishtiv. Listen.
Hello, is Monsieur Katriana.
Martin va, is Mr. Donald.
Feskerma, is Monsieur Morag.
Hello, it's Mr. Alistair.
Say that you are the following people. Mary, or in Gaelic, Mary.
Is Monsieur Mary. Is Monsieur Mary. Dal.
Is Monsieur Donald. Is Monsieur Donald. Katrina.
Is Monsieur Katriana. Is Monsieur Katriana. Seamus.
Is Monsieur Seamus. Now give your own name. Is Monsieur Donald. Camera Hashiv. If you are asked your name in a form, you'll see the word NM. 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 You may also hear the word in its own in a very unfriendly context.
Oh!
NM.
Jay!
NM.
Seamus McCarthy!
Seamus McCunich. Mackenzie. J. What?
Oh!
NM.
Jay!
NM.
Seamus McCarthy!
If you want to ask a person his or her name, you'll usually need the full question. J and Henem Ahiriv. What's your name? Ahiriv. Ahiriv. And Tenem Ahiriv. And Tenem Ahiriv. J and Tenem Ahiriv. J and Tenem Ahiriv.
Hello, is Monsieur Katriana. Camera Hashiv.
Hagama Tapley.
Chin Tana Mahirif.
Jay?
Chin Tana Mahirif.
Ian McLeod.
Ah, Feskerma.
Fesker Ma.
Jane Charamaharov.
Mac and Haggard.
Mackenhaggard. Ah, Shinny. Jane Charamaharov.
Marvin, ich kann nicht.
Martin kann ich. Don't believe.
A few traditional Gaelic surnames were given there. Ian MacLeod, John MacLeod, Macentaggart, MacTaggart, and Nichcanich, Mackenzie. You'll find that many men's surnames begin with Mach in Gaelic, and the female versions of the same names begin with Nich. MacLeod for a man, Nichclod for a woman. We'll come across plenty of examples before the end of the course. You'll hear those situations again. This time, you ask the question, Jane Tanemahiriv, when you hear the cue.
Hello, it's Monsieur Katriana. Camera Hashiv.
Hagama Tapley.
Jane Taramaharav.
Jay?
Jane Taramaharav.
Ian McLeod.
Ha, Fesker ma.
Fesker ma.
Jean Tana Maharov.
Mac and Haggard.
Mac and Haggard. Mac and Haggard. Mac and Haggard. Ha, Shinny. Jean Tana Maharov.
Mother nicht kann ich.
Martin kann ich. Ta believe.
Introducing someone else is quite simple, as you only need one word. Show. This is. Show.
Hello, Show Katriana.
Hello, cimar a haisibh.
Show Ian.
Hello.
Agus Show Davy.
Hello, Kimara Hashif.
You may wish to say how people are related to you. My husband is Andunya Akam. Andunya Akam. 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 Andunya Akam. Andunya Akam.
My wife is a Venakam. A Venakam. Akam. A Venakam. A Venakam.
My son is a Mach Akam. We've met Mach already in surnames meaning son of. A Mach Akam. A Mach Akam.
And the last, my daughter, a Neonakam. A Neonakam. A Neonakam. A Neonakam.
Shaw and Dunya Akam.
Show a Venakam.
Shaw a Mach Akam.
Show a Neonakam.
Hello, Show Katriana and Ianakam.
Hello, cimar a haisibh.
Show Ian and Machkakam.
Hello.
Agus Show Davy and Dunyakam.
Hello, Kimara Hashif.
You introduce the members of your family suggested, putting in their names if you wish. Your wife.
Show a Venakam. Show a Venakam. Introduce your husband.
Shaw and Dunya Akam. Shaw and Dunya Akam. Introduce your daughter.
Show a Neonakam. Show a Neonakam. Introduce your son. Show a Machkakam. Show a Machkakam.